Guido and
Tori.
We're from Trailside Talks. Welcome to Schoolhouse Campground at Lake Roosevelt here in Arizona.
It's about 71 degrees.
Yeah, and the lake is down there. We'll show you later. I would say let's set up camp, right?
Let's set up camp.
Okay, let's do it. Since I'm not 100% sure what changed since the last video on my Gladiator, let's just take a walk through, walk around. So here, wait, got this stubby front bumper from Red Rock and the open road 13,000-pound winch. I like it. Luckily, I never had to use it so far, but we tested with it, so we could there. Otherwise, up front, no changes. But as you saw, the newest one is our Everest XD tent. It's awesome. It's a little bit on the heavy side, 250 pounds, but I like the quality. And it works great. And yes, I paid full price for it. I know, it sucks, but gotta do what you gotta do. Anyway, here's the tent. Okay, what else do we have? Oh, right. So, some of you might know about the little issue with your fridge, that this little power cable always gets tangled up. Because I had exactly the same problem and it annoyed me. So after thousands of ideas, I actually came up with a pretty simple solution by Amazon. It's this little thing. those are normally little clamps you put on your ironing board to keep the cord out of the way. Hey, works great for the fridge. What else happened? Oh, I upgraded my DC to DC charger from 20 to 40 amps. Right there. Another aux power switch here. Well, not another one. First one is aux beam. This one is aux power. Those fields works the same way, only $100 cheaper. So no brainer for me. So far, zero issues. Plus, it has Bluetooth, which my original aux beam inside the car doesn't have. Let me show you the switch. Right there. Yeah. The only thing connected right now is simple lights, so we actually see what we're cooking when it's dark. Yeah, nothing special. It was just two of those cubes. I think I spent $9, $12, something like that. Fairly cheap. Oh, and I finally got around to install my 2000 watt Renogy inverter. Yeah, that's about it. Well, I changed the struts from the original ones to a little bit longer ones, so it opens better, and I don't bump my head all the time on it, because after a while it starts to be annoying and it hurts. Otherwise inside, nope, no further changes. Alright, quick back to Schoolhouse Campground. It's very quiet here. And there are some people here, mostly RVs. And the boat ramp is, I don't know, a quarter mile away, but can't see it, can't hear it, even if the trucks drive through with the boats. So far so good. The official outhouse right there is far enough away to be away from traffic and smell. It's all good. Very clean. Yeah. What else we got here? Quick camp walk around. Gotta walk carefully here. Otherwise, yeah, don't go down there. Yeah, water. All I got for right now. Clean, quiet, a little windy. Yeah, that's fine. Keeps the flies away. See you guys later. Camp is set up. At some point we start cooking something. I think we're having chicken fajitas. So stay tuned for that if you want to see how we cook it, and then complain about our makeshift recipe in the comments. No problem. Let me close this. awesome thing, aka air pump. I finally mounted it, but I didn't use just the regular screws. Nope, I used those little, what are they called? Nuts something. Essentially, you drill a bigger hole, put the inserts in, and then they get tightened up just like rivets. But you can put your regular machine screws in there, like your M4s, M6, M8s, or whatever size you got, and this is not going anywhere. I think in this case it's 4 M6 screws, doing just fine. Didn't get to the part yet where I cut off the clamps to directly wire it to the batteries. But guess what? Just pop the lid off, put it on the contacts, and we're good to go. Yep. Right now it's tight. Nope, forgot to shorten them. So that's where my electric goes. Yeah. That's all I got. Oh. If you ever cold in the winter, yes, they are expensive, but do yourself a favor, aeronaut down blankets, no weight, very compact, but they keep you warm to the point, if it's not even really cold, you start sweating. So I can only recommend those. We bought them last year at Overland Expo West in Flagstaff, where we actually go again this year. I just like that place. And we got a good deal. So 2 queen size ish, for less than a king size. Because we didn't know at that point what top tent we go with or any tent. Some money involved, but yeah, because I ain't getting stuff for free. Don't know why. Maybe the amount of subscribers or likes or views. I have no idea. Don't really care. I'm not a freebie guy. Sure, I would take them, but so far I paid for everything. Yeah, overlanding can get expensive. Do I need all the fun stuff? Nope. Do I want it? Absolutely. Is it necessary? Nope. But hey, we're comfort creatures, so that's why I got this tent. Like I said, ordered it last year at Overland Expo. They gave me a good deal, or a couple $100 less than it is now. Took a couple months to arrive, and we finally got to the point where we put it on. Let's see if it's crooked. Nope. Got it all on there. I guess you wonder. Little 10-pounder there, gas or propane. Alright, we're at the lake. Good morning. Gotta say it was a very quiet night. But yeah, rooftop tent, manufacturer quality mattress, nope, no good. But I'm not the first one claiming that, and I won't be the last. So we need a backup plan for that one. Other than that, well, time to make some breakfast and pack up and head back home. Yeah, because I have stuff on top.
What's up on top? It's fine. 5 seconds.
Falling.
5 seconds.
There.
Bring it up. Face it over.
So you gotta go first, right? Or you want to work around for half an hour?
Well, you can stand up.
Yeah, but it still is in the way. No matter how you put it.
All right. Got it. Wait till we get to the top. Where the wire things are in there? Wait a minute, let me put, wait. Here you go. All right. Switch it up.
Alright, last task before we're out of here. Drop off your trash. Don't just leave it behind.